Hey dolls, Yes here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unbagging my February Ipsy glam bag, which is this one right here. Super cute. They always have the cutest bags. So if you guys want to check out what I got in this month's bag, then please keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you would like to get notified every time that I upload, make sure that you ring the little bell down below. And yeah, let's get started. So I have opened my bag before this video, and I actually am wearing some of the things that I'll be talking about. So yeah, just FYI. Alright, so the February glam bag theme is unzipped, and so right here we have a few creators that I recognize, a few influencers, and yeah, everybody's kind of like in their undies, and the theme is, like I said, unzipped, and it's all about embracing everything you are. So this is cute, and I feel like it also kind of goes with like the nude lacy bag, so good thinking, Ipsy. Alright, so the first product I have to show off is this brush right here, which is from Luxy Beauty. It's a dual-ended brush, and obviously it's an eye brush. This one, this side right here, I think could be used best for like in your crease, and then this side over here, I think could be used best to like pat on shadow onto your lid. So I will definitely be putting this in my everyday use collection, and also in my travel. I feel like this is super convenient to travel just because instead of one brush, you have two in one. Alright, next up we have the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. It's a full coverage anti-aging concealer, and I know so many people who are obsessed with this concealer. I feel like I said concealer 17 times right now, but I actually tried it like 2-3 years ago, and I wasn't a huge fan of it, but now I have this one. So I could give it a shot, because that's not what I use today. But so I think that's what's cool about like the trial versions that they send over, because if I like it, then I can go out and purchase it without like splurging on the whole thing, if that makes sense, because it can get a little pricey. Makeup can get pricey, that's all I'm saying. Next, we have this Luna by Luna. Ooh, I've never heard of this, but it's interesting. Luna by Luna, and it's actually a highlighter, and it is in the color Luna. So the brand is called Luna by Luna, and then the color of the shade is Luna. Okay, girl, yes, Marc Jacobs by Marc Jacobs from Marc Jacobs because of Marc Jacobs. That's what it kind of reminds me of. But I actually use this as like on top of my bronzer, just because this is a little bit dark, so I can't really use this as a highlighter, but I made the best of it. I made it work, and I just went ahead and kind of like went in here and went in here, so it kind of adds like some shimmer to my bronzer. So I'm not sure if this brand has like different shades or if it's just this one shade, but I always keep my bronzer pretty matte, so this kind of got me to go a little out of my comfort zone and add a little bit of shimmer. Next, we have this Naked Cosmetics pigment in the color Desert Sunset, and it comes in a little container like this right here, and this is actually what I'm wearing on my eyelid, so you can see that it's very like shimmery, very pretty, very pigmented also. It's like the perfect color too. I'm really glad that I caught this color. Again, it is Desert Sunset from Naked Cosmetics. I've never even heard of that brand, but now I know of them. Alright, so last but most definitely not least, because I might be the most excited for this right here, is actually a lip balm. It is a moisture-rich hydrating balm from Jersey Shore Cosmetics, and this is in the flavor or scent Apple Harvest, and it smells like apple. I'm so excited about this because you can never have enough balms. I have one in every single bag. I have one in my fiance's car. I have one in my mom's car. I have balms everywhere just because I get really like weird when my lips are like crusty and ugh, then I lick them and it's a whole thing. So I'm so excited. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know down below in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Love you guys so much, and thanks for watching.